So this tutorial is actually almost the same as my jewelry tutorial. The only difference is I improved sound quality and added shortcuts displays. Now they're shown in left bottom corner, and so this is the end result of this tutorial. We will be creating this ring. So let's start. First of all, let's delete default scene and create a basic ring shape. Now let's add grease pencil, blank, and switch to 2D animation. Let's switch to surface and add a little bit offset to see our strokes. And from here, let's add material. Here I will add mirror modifier, since I really like symmetry. It gives a lot of beautiful shapes. And let's just start to paint something very interesting shapes. From here you can just take your time. Let's create something interesting. And we also can add these like ring shapes, circle shapes. To make our strokes less resolution, let's in edit mode select all and stroke, simplify, fixed, then 2-3 steps to not lose details. Then in search it is F3, or I made it space. Let's convert grease pencil, polygon curve. Let's hide grease pencil and select our curve. In geometry, add depth a little bit. Let's add the mirror modifier. This example is definitely not finished product ready to be imported in a game engine, but it can be a good start. I personally use this kind of messy 3D art as a base for my paintings. I don't usually use perfectly UV'd or perfectly topologies, since I only use 3D as a base for later paint overs. Now let's convert our curve into mesh and to join with the ring to make it one object. Select one side of the ring, duplicate it, and make it separate object. Scale it a little bit. And let's add shrink wrap modifier. Select target as a ring. Then let's change it to project and let's add negative. Change limit a little to what looks nice. You also can shrink a little sides of the ring to make it perfectly fit, but I actually like these borders, so I leave it as it is. Let's make it a little offset, and here we have a very nice ornament. Let's add some shiny material to see how it looks. Yep, this looks nice. So let's apply our modifiers if you want. You can see the mesh is quite high resolution. Sometimes I leave it as it is, but now we can make a decimate. Let's make it a little more low poly. And that's it. This is the end result. If you have any questions, please leave a comment, and thank you for watching.